We hit the free play from yesterday. Justice Haynes, he went down, so he was a reboot. But we had a nice little day. We ended up going 17-8 over all of VIP. We would have absolutely slaughtered yesterday, but Penn State, Oregon, and Florida State absolutely crushed us. There was just some bad beats there, so those games sucked. But we hit this one nice, easy win here on VIP. All VIP packages are 75% off right now with the code NFL. And if you guys are new, make sure to get on that. I'm going to ask you for one thing. Make sure to go down there and subscribe to the free plan, subscribe to the channel, and then hit the like button. It really does help me out, and in return, I'm going to give you the best free play out there on YouTube today. So recap of yesterday, we had this nice win here. That was the free play from yesterday. We hit the Cougars money line, Bearcats money line, SMU money line, Ohio State money line. We had a bunch more. Georgia Tech money line, Notre Dame money line, Navy money line, Tennessee money line, the Canadians money line, the Carolina Hurricanes money line, A&M money line, and Clemson money line. Texas Tech, LSU, and then we had this nice win over on BETR, Concepcion over, and then Bush over as well. So 10-17 there. So nice wins there over on VIP yesterday. Like I said, if you guys are new, make sure to go over here on the Winible, get subscribed. You can subscribe to the free plan. That's absolutely free to do. That's where I send out some free plays for you to subscribe to and get locked in. Then VIP Gold Level, full week pass, and NFL season pass, college football season pass. Those are 75% off right now with the code NFL. So make sure to go over there and get locked in on that. So coming over here, Chalkboard, they're going to hook you up with $20 of absolutely free money to go and play with. No deposit necessary. Use the code 907 Fantasy to sign up. That link is down in the description below to sign up. Same with Chalkboard or Sleeper. Sleeper's going to give you $20 of absolutely free money to go play with. No deposit necessary. They're also going to give you this Jared Goff free pick for Sunday Night Football. So add that to any one of your slips for an easy payout boost. His normal line's at 235.5. They have him at 1 yard. So make sure to go get that locked in. Use the code 907 Fantasy, and they're going to hook you up over there. Then subscribe to the free plan and the $5 Friday plan as well. So coming over here, we got Week 6 NFL football. So the games today, Denver, New York, that's going on in London right now. I like Denver in that spot. Arizona at Indianapolis, taking Indianapolis money line. Arizona is also playing without Kyler Murray today. LA at Miami. I like the Chargers in this spot. New England at New Orleans. I like New England. Pittsburgh, Cleveland, Carolina, Dallas. I like Dallas plus 7.5 here. They should win the game outright, but there's been a lot of crazy upsets been going on lately. So I like Dallas plus 7.5 there. Seattle, Jacksonville. I'm kind of staying away from that game. That game could be a shootout. LA, Baltimore. I like the Rams in that spot. Tennessee, Vegas, staying away. Cincinnati at Green Bay. I like Green Bay in that spot. San Francisco at Tampa Bay. Oh, that was a tough one too, but Tampa Bay's been playing pretty good. Then Detroit at Kansas City. Everyone's on Detroit right now. All the money's on Detroit to win this game. They should win this game, but Kansas City is a favored at 2.5-point favorites. So I would like Detroit plus 7.5 here as well, just to be safe. Like Detroit, I think is going to go out there and win this game outright. They're the best team so far in the NFL this season. It seems like Kansas City's faltering. Their dynasty seems to be kind of over, but you never know. They could come out there and they could beat up on the Lions, but I guess we'll see. But I'm staying away from that game. I might do 7.5-point favorites on Detroit plus 7.5, but we'll see on that one. So that's why you want to go over here and get on the Winible on one of the passes, the week gold level or season pass, 75% off with code NFL. So like I promised you guys, if you guys haven't already, make sure to go down there, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. That really does help me out. And in return, we're going to build a beautiful free play for today that is absolutely guaranteed to hit. So we're going to go over here and go over passing yards. I'm loving, where is it? Loving Drake May over 200 passing yards. We could even take him over 190. 190 here. So he's been hitting this. He's averaging 252 over his last 5. He went for 273 last game against Buffalo, 203 against Carolina, 268 against Pitt. So we're taking him over 190 here. And then we're going with, I like Baker Mayfield here. We could take him over 200 yards. See, just that stair stepper. He went for 379. That was a shootout against Seattle, though, so can't rely heavily on that. But another one that I'm liking, Darnold over 200. I like that one. So we're gonna go with Drake May, and then we're gonna go over here to receiving yards, and we are going to go with. Where is it at? Puka Nacua. We're going to take Puka over. Okay, we're going to take Puka over 70 receiving yards. He's been killing this. He's definitely Matthew Stafford's #1 pick, #1 target. He's averaging 117 over the last 5. So we're going to take him over 70 receiving yards. Coming back here, though, there's one other one that I'm really liking. Jackson Smith and Jigba. We can take him over 50 receiving yards. He should hit this line no problem. Once again, he is Sam Darnold's favorite receiver. He's averaging 106 over the last 5, so give me half of that at 50 receiving yards. And then we can come over here. I like Jonathan Taylor. Where is it at? Rushing plus. I like him over rushing yards, but I also really like him rushing plus receiving yards. I might just blind at where that's at. Rushing plus receiving yards right there. So I really like Jonathan Taylor. Oh, they don't have any. They took him down. So another one I really like in that spot is Kyron Williams. We could take him over 75 rushing plus receiving yards. Taking a look at what he's been doing over the last 5 here. Oh, he did 131, 94, 112, 80. So we can stay away from that one. But Emeka Egbuka. See what Jahmyr Gibbs has been doing. No. I really like Bijan and James Cook, but those are tomorrow's games. So we'll stick with this. This is the official free play for today. Drake May over 190 passing yards. Puka Nacua over 70 receiving yards. And then Jackson Smith and Jigba over 50 receiving yards. We can take one look at one other one here. See if we like it enough to put it in there. We put Stephon Diggs in there as well. He's been going crazy the last 2 games. Him and Drake May are starting to hook up there. And then one other one that I'm liking is Egbuka. Where is he at? Emeka Egbuka. So if we took Egbuka over 50, let's see what he's been doing as well. So he went for 163, 101, 85. So we'll stay away from that one, but I'll put some of him on VIP. But like I said, we're just going to go with this 3-man. May over 190, Puka Nacua over 70, and then Jackson Smith and Jigba over 50. 5 into 850 there. Lock that in. That is the official free play for today. Good luck with all of your plays today. Make sure to go over there and get on the Winible. Get that locked in on one of the VIP passes with 75% off the code NFL. Go over to Sleeper, Chalkboard, get that locked in over there. They're going to hook you up with $20 of absolutely free money just for using the code Nano7Fantasy when you sign up. So good luck with all your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day out there watching some NFL football. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow for Monday Night Football. Peace out and good luck.